Welcome back to loginhelps. It's 2026. Remember the old days, way back in 2023 when AI just finished your sentences? Those days are long gone. Today, if you are still manually typing every single line of code, you aren't just slow, you're obsolete. The role of the software engineer has shifted from writer to architect. We are no longer just coding, we are directing intelligence. But with dozens of AI agents competing for your attention, which ones actually deliver professional results right now? Let's explore the top 5 AI coding tools defining development in 2026. First up, the undisputed heavyweight champion that keeps evolving, GitHub Copilot Workspace. Back in the day, Copilot was just an autocomplete extension. In 2026, Workspace is your entire development environment supervisor. It doesn't just look at the file you're opening, it understands your entire repository's architecture. You can now assign it complex issues like refactor the authentication system to use biometric data. Copilot Workspace will plan the steps, modify code across multiple files, generate the necessary tests, and present you with a complete pull request. It's the essential partner for enterprise-scale development. Next, we have the tool that dethroned traditional editors, Cursor. While others tried to shove AI into old editors, Cursor was built from the ground up for AI. By 2026, its deep context engine is unmatched. It predicts your next thought, not just your next word. Because it indexes your code base locally and efficiently, when you ask it a question, it doesn't just guess. It knows the exact dependencies and constraints of your specific project. For developers who want the fastest, most fluid, flow state experience where the AI feels like an extension of your own brain, Cursor is the daily driver. At number 3, we have the leader in autonomous agents, Devin by Cognition Labs. Devin shocked the world a couple of years ago, and in 2026, it's matured into a reliable mid-level engineer that lives on your team. You don't pair program with Devin, you give Devin a job and walk away. It can read documentation for new APIs, set up its own environments, debug its own errors, and push finished code. It's perfect for handling those tedious backlog tasks, migrations, or setting up end-to-end testing scaffolding while you focus on creative architecture. Number 4 addresses the biggest concern of 2026, data privacy and security. This is where Codeodium Enterprise shines. While other tools send your intellectual property to the cloud, Codeodium has mastered high-performance, self-hosted models. It runs entirely within your company's firewall. Furthermore, its integrated security scanning is second to none. As you code, it's actively preventing you from introducing vulnerabilities, acting as an always-on security audit. For banks, healthcare, and anyone protecting sensitive IP, Codeodium is the trusted choice. And finally, for the speed demons and startup founders, Replit. In 2026, Replit has dissolved the barrier between having an idea and having a deployed application. Their AI models are tightly integrated with their hosting infrastructure. You don't need to worry about Docker containers or Kubernetes. You just describe the app you want in natural language. Replit generates the full stack, database, backend, and front-end, and gives you a live, shareable URL instantly. It is the fastest way on the planet to go from 0 to 1. The tools of 2026 are incredibly powerful, but remember, they still need a human pilot with a vision. Don't fear these tools, master them, and you'll build faster than you ever dreamed possible. Which of these AI copilots are you using in your workflow right now? Let us know in the comments below, and if this video helped you gear up for the future of coding, please smash that like button and subscribe to loginhelps for more tutorials to navigate the tech world. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.